Okay, so if you ever wanted to embed, let's say, an iFrame in an existing page, you probably have run into issues. So let me show you a little bit what the problem could be. So for example, here we see CodePen, and I just have added an iFrame and I pointed it to example.com. That seems to work perfectly fine. However, if I'm going to change this, and let's change this to, let's say, amazon.com, then basically I see this specific error. It says Amazon refused to connect. And this is probably caused because of content security policy headers or maybe iFrame options, which actually prevent you from embedding Amazon on like external applications. However, with Webfuse, we can easily work around this. So the way to do that is you just go open Webfuse Studio, you go to Solo, you create a space, let's give it a name, embed Amazon. I'm going to go Amazon. This is basically the slug or the public space URL. I'm going to click on Next. We're going to click on Open Space. And this opens the virtual space session. But then by default, it doesn't actually is configured to open anything specific. So we're now going to set it to open Amazon.com. I'm going to add the page, save changes, close the editor. And then basically, if someone now opens this specific space link, it will immediately jump into that session. So let me show you how this now can be used. So if we go back to Studio, and then we have this specific URL, we then copy actually the space link. And then instead of like embedding the direct Amazon link, we're now going to embed the space link, which now allows Amazon to be embedded. So if we change this, we can now see that the space session loads. And what will happen is that Amazon is now embedded on your page without any problems. So this is the beauty of like Webfuse and the way how it embeds and allows you to basically augment any application and then enables you to embed it anywhere you want.